Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Well, hello everyone. This is Pamela, and I am in my yarn room today. I wanted to come in here. It's a little chilly this morning for me, and so I thought I'd just come in here and film for you guys. Well, I have a couple of little video clips that I'd like to show you guys of some Happy Mail and stuff. And because I know you guys like that, and I like it too. I like filming those for you guys. I like going back and editing them, and they're just a lot of fun to me. So anyway, I'm going to show you a few little video clips, and then some finished items that I actually got done over the weekend, and a new pattern that I have coming up. It's at the testers right now, and I'm going to do a tutorial on it. And let's see. Now the PDF pattern will come out first, of course. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started in today's video. Okay, so I just wanted to say thank you so much, Sue, for this card. I just got this in the mail, or this was in my P.O. box, so thank you very much for that. And I really enjoyed reading what you put on the inside. Okay, then I got another package. This is from Tia. So let me show you this, guys. Isn't this just super adorable? Crochet journal. Oh my gosh. That has got to be the cutest picture on the front of a book ever. And she wrote this nice little card, or made this nice little card. So happy to have a fiber friend like you. And I'm not going to read what's on the inside. But I just want to say thank you so much, Tia, for this. Here's kind of an idea of some of the stuff that's on the inside. I can definitely see where it says photo, because my book that I'm using right now is just about up. I only got maybe 10 pages left, and I could really use this. Very, very nice. Perfect timing. Thank you so much, Tia, for this. It is just beautiful. I mean, it's perfect. It's not just beautiful, it's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Yeah. Anyway, I just want to say thank you so much, and I will never forget this. I will use this. This will be the next journal of my keeping track of my projects. They will go in here. So thank you so much for that. I am tickled pink, or in my favorite color, I'm tickled turquoise. My next package, look at there. I think you guys probably know what this is. This is from Terry. And Terry, I already know. I have a feeling, because you told me you was going to send it to me. Yep, it is. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Look at there, guys. All right. Look at that. I can finish the corner to corner blanket that I'm working for my son-in-law. Look at that. Look at that. It's just beautiful. I know I included a little clip of my grandson playing with, well, loving on the blanket that I'm working on. So I will include that clip in this video as well for you guys that missed it in the last video, because the last video was like a 25-minute video. But yeah, look at that. Okay, this is Line Brand Scarfy. It is 78% acrylic, 22% wool, 5 bulky. The color is navy, ochre/navy. Yeah. Machine wash cool, lay flat to dry. So let me show you the project that I'm working on. That's it right there. It's corner to corner. And that's what I've gotten done so far. Yep. And it is so soft. Oh, that's little lady there resting. Hey, lady. Here comes Max. But, yeah. So, let me include that little clip of my grandson loving on this blanket.
Is that your blanket?
Thank you.
Aw.
guys, that's the happy mail that I received, and I just want to say thank you guys. I am so blessed, so grateful, and oh my gosh, you guys have made my day. I needed this yarn so bad, could not find it anywhere. It's just awesome. Perfect timing for that, because my other book that I've been working on since January, like I said, it's just a few pages left, and I was gonna, you know, start in another book, and this is perfect, absolutely perfect. And then this thinking of you card was just perfect timing. I just appreciate that very much. You guys are all so sweet to me, so good to me, and I just pray that I'm giving back to you guys, because you definitely are all giving back to me so much. Anyway, so let's go on and see what else I've got going. Lady, you gonna say hi to everybody? Don't know where Abby's at. Oh, she's out in the backyard. My grass needs mowing. They're supposed to mow today, so I don't even want to show you the grass. It's too embarrassing. It is very tall. There's probably snakes out there for all I know. But there's Max and Lady. Abby's just walking around outside in that tall grass. You can barely see her because the grass is so tall. But like I said, the yard is getting mowed today. Or supposed to today. They haven't come yet. Let's see. Man, they should have been here by now. Anyway, all right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. So I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys a picture of me with Knox and my daughter Jennifer, because you guys probably wonder what she looks like as much as I talk about her. So I thought I'd throw this picture in. I made my first cornbread and pork roast. So I'm so excited over this, and I got to share this with my sister Tanya. She stayed all night with me Saturday night, and I wanted to share this with you. There she is eating. I was so proud to be able to fix that for her. Like I said, she stayed all night with me Saturday night. We started a new crochet project, and I had so much fun with her here. And so this next picture is us on our way to church the next day. She's doing a new members class, and I'm working in the media. And so I thought that I'd share that. And we went a little bit early that morning so that we could have, once a month, we had breakfast, free breakfast at church. And I had pancake strawberry whipped cream, and I had more eggs than that, guys, but I ate them. And that's what was left before I remembered to take a picture, and that's my sister Tanya's plate over there. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the clips. Thank you guys so much for the happy mail. Oh my gosh, you have made my week. I appreciate that very, very much. Okay, so the finished items that I have is, I will start, here's my leg warmers. My daughter has a birthday, October the 1st, and so these are birthday gifts that I'm showing you guys. So this is the leg warmers. And this is, I got this from patternparadise.com, and it says Crochet by Marie, M-A-R-I-A. So it could be Maria. It says Diamonds and Gems. I made these once before in the past, and I really like it. It's an easy pattern. I'm not sure, but I think I added a few more rows than what they put on it. And I know that I'm pretty sure they have it this way, but this is tighter up here. So this is the way, this is going to be the top of her cuff. But anyway, so I'm excited about that. I'm sure she's going to like that. The yarn that I'm using for this is some yarn that I got from Hobby Lobby off their clearance earlier this year. This is the I Love This yarn. I only bought 3 of these. If I'd known I was going to like this color this much, because I would like to have a set of this myself, I would have bought like 6 of these. But I had no idea that I was going to like this colorway so much. But after I started working with it, I was like, oh my gosh, I love that. But it's called Stone's Throw. It's 252 yards, 100% acrylic. Stone's Throw. I love this yarn. It was regular $4.99. I paid $1.24. So, for this whole project that I'm fixing to show you, I paid $375. Okay. The next thing is by the same lady, and it is a pair of gloves, fingerless gloves, right here. And I've made these before as well. in the past. I made mine in black and a cream color. But here they are. I'm hoping they'll fit. She's got little skinny, long skinny fingers, skinny arms. So I just made them the size of mine. I made a small. So if you go to the website, this is a small. So there they are. And then she'll have the boot cuffs to go with it. All right. Let's see. What else? Oh, yeah. A 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. Machine wash and dry on the yarn for this. And the last thing is the thing that I went ahead and created. So out of 3 skeins of yarn to do all of this, I had this much left of the third. So really about 2.5 skeins is all it took to make all of this. So here is the scarf. The PDF pattern will come out in a couple of days. But here it is. And now when I do the tutorial, I'm going to do this in a solid color so that you can see these real cute baubles on here. I love baubles. and I also love the granny stitch. But my granny stitch is my granny stitch is like theirs. So it's not really, I don't know if it's a granny stitch or not because it's not 3 double crochets. But anyway, so that's it right there. Now, I don't have fringe on the bottom, so what I did is I left the little tail here. This has been washed, by the way, so it's nice and soft. Because it was feeling a little stiff. Even though it kind of felt soft, it still had like a stiffness to it. And I can't stand for my scarves to have a stiffness to it. So I thought, well, I'm going to go ahead and wash and dry this. And but yeah, I left on the bottom because I'm pretty sure I'm going to add fringe to this. But see, I just love this color. Anyway, so there we go. Whee! So she is going to love this. Like I said, I'm going to make another one. I'm going to do the one that I make in this color right here for the tutorial. And this is Craft Smart Never Enough. And the color is gold. And oh my gosh, there is definitely enough for this. Let's see. Gold. 716 yards in here. Okay. Machine wash, cold, gentle cycle. So that's good. Do not bleach. Tumble dry low. Do not iron. 100% acrylic. So I'm planning on using this one for the tutorial. I really want a gray one, but I know that the darker colors don't show up as well when you're trying to do the stitches. So I went ahead and chose this color. I've got to at least have something for fall, right? So yeah, so that's all that I have for this video. Let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. When glory comes, we thank God. He gives us the victory through our Lord Jesus Christ. That's in 1 Corinthians 15:57. God of glory, you are the fulfillment of every longing heart. Jesus, your victory over death is still being celebrated. It will be forever. You made freedom possible. You broke every chain of sin and death that kept us bound. There is no more bondage because of you. Thank you for your freedom that allows me to choose my own way without the shadow of a sin hanging over me. Lord, I wouldn't go anywhere that would take me from you. I want to be found in you when you return. May I be found in you now. I am so grateful for victory. I am an overcomer in you because of the weight of your sacrifice. There is no one else like you in all the earth. Be glorified above all else. I fully submit to you. Have your way in me today. What does the glory of victory in Jesus look like in your life? Wow, this is just beautiful. Okay, guys, I'm so glad that you enjoyed the 365 days of prayer. Be sure and look out for the pattern for this, and the tutorial will be following, hopefully within days of the pattern being released. Let's see, what else do I have? Yeah, tomorrow's Whip Caddy Wednesday. Don't forget to submit your Whip Caddies. I saw on Facebook that some of you guys are already posting your Whip Caddies. So be sure and do that. So yeah, that's all that I have. Just remember, live life, have fun, be awesome today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.